Are you thinking, should I buy the OnePlus 6? Let me give you 6 reasons why you should consider it. Welcome everyone, this is Zilla, and in today's video I'm going to be discussing why you should buy the OnePlus 6. Here are my top 6 reasons. Reason 1. Design. The OnePlus 6 design has improved dramatically from the OnePlus 5. Now, instead of having a generic look about them, OnePlus has decided to go with Gorilla Glass 5 on the front and back. The 3 colors available in the UK are Mirror Black, which has the look of ceramic but without the weight of it, the Midnight Black, which looks like metal but thanks to a new technique, OnePlus has managed to make it look matte with a shimmer in certain light and angles, revealing a holographic capital S which stands for speed. And finally, my favorite, the Silk White with rose gold accents. This has a pearlescent finish and hides fingerprints too. This is my favorite color out of the 3, and OnePlus uses the same finishing technique as used on the Midnight Black version. Looking closer at the design, the details are apparent, such as the symmetry on the back of the phone and the same great ergonomic experience we have come to expect from OnePlus over the years. Reason 2. The speed you need. The OnePlus 6 has a new marketing slogan, and boy does it ring true. A Snapdragon 845, Adreno 630, and either 6 or 8 gigabytes with storage options from 64 up to 256 gigabytes. This truly is a beast when it comes to performance. Combined with Oxygen OS, the OnePlus 6 is one of the fastest performing phones on the market today, and you will be able to throw everything at it without fear of slowdown or lag. Reason 3. Headphone jack. Yes, OnePlus have retained the beloved 3.5mm headphone jack in a world where more and more manufacturers are removing theirs, such as Apple, HTC and Google, to name a few. OnePlus retained theirs on the 6, so no need for stupid dongles, and using headphones with the OnePlus 6 produces awesome audio performance from your favorite set of cans. Reason 4. Screen. Yes, I know some of you might be thinking, what? Well, yes, it is still a 1080p screen, but in person it looks gorgeous as it is an Optic AMOLED 6.28-inch display, which is very bright, sharp and colourful. I know there is a notch, but you can hide it using the settings menu, and it does have a purpose. That face unlock, trust me when I tell you this, it is probably the fastest on the market, to the point where you think the phone was not locked. Reason 5. Cameras. Yes, you heard me right. I said cameras. In the past, OnePlus have had good cameras but not great. Check out these videos and photos I took at the OnePlus 6 pop-up event in London. I'm sure you will agree that these are now flagship level results. The environment was extremely difficult to film in, and without using a tripod or gimbal, I am extremely impressed with the results. So kudos to OnePlus for stepping up their game in the optical department. Definitely a worthy contender. Reason 6. Price. Last but not least, the price. The bang for your buck is probably the best on the market. Prices range from £469 for the base model with 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. The mid-tier version will cost you £519 for the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. And the biggest daddy of them all is £569 for 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Apple, take note, this is how you price larger storage variants of phones. So there you have it, my 6 reasons why you should consider the OnePlus 6. So if you're in the market for a new device, take a serious look at the OnePlus 6, because I certainly am. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, smash that like button and bell notification icon, and share my video on your social media. I will have a lot more videos coming up, including the official cases, screen protectors, versus videos, camera tests, and so on. This is Zilla saying until next time, thank you for watching and stay safe and peace.